Ever find yourself on a weekend getaway wishing you had packed a little smarter? Well, here's your game changer. First, roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves space and prevents wrinkles. Second, use a sunglasses case for cables and chargers. It's a neat and compact storage solution. Third, pack small items like socks and underwear inside your shoes. It's a great space saver and helps maintain shoe shape. Fourth, always carry a reusable water bottle. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Lastly, go digital. Use your phone for boarding passes, maps, and guidebooks. Remember, the key to a stress-free getaway is smart packing. So roll, store, stuff, hydrate, and go digital. Repeat after me. Weekend getaways, here I come. And there you have it, travelers. But hey, the journey doesn't stop here. There's a whole world out there, and we've got loads more tips and hacks to share with you. For more travel videos, be sure to check out our channel, Globetrotter's Guide. From destination guides to food recommendations, we've got you covered. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is absolutely free, and it helps us continue making content that you love. Plus, it gives a nice boost to the YouTube algorithm, making sure our videos reach more travel enthusiasts like you. So what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe, and let's keep exploring the world together. Remember, the world is yours to explore, and Globetrotter's Guide is here to help you do it right. So get ready, pack smart, and let's trot the globe.